Support. Support system. Nobody's an island.
Hello guys, welcome back for Congo Sound Gossip TV for another celebrity gossip and social media wahala. My people, I don't work enter the streets of social media for bring another amebo to us. My people, before one dive inside the matter, if not the first time this way they stop for this channel, wait till you do wait for. I be you no one join this amebo family. I beg just smash that red subscribe button and make you no forget for turn on your post notification so that whenever me I upload video, you go be amongst the first to be notified. And for all returning subscribers, and thank una for the support way una don dey give this channel. So my people, without wasting much of our time, make we say inside the matter for today. Una dey see na this elderly father una dey see wey e don go occasion. Una know na my people, some people like us wey we too like dance, wey we get party or we go party or we go celebration, any better occasion, we like for shake body, we like for shake our bum shake anything where we get, so long as not to jubilate and for feel happy, my people. Now so it take happen with this our father one that they see am for year. It don't go out, my people, for occasion for River State. It don't go in the dance as they sing, they hype my people. Now so they shake body, they hype and so they shake body. My people. Suddenly, now the papa is slum before for that big bah. People no understand, no hype man, they only increase. Oh, Satan, this father go do something. Oh, hey, my people, when now RIP, this man, if they go like this, so as soon as they see and so person where he stand, if they dance, if they shake body. When I see him right now, my people, he no fit move any parts from him body. He don't remain quiet. When a cardiac arrest, my people, now they do him. Now he had to fail him just like that. My people, I see this matter, say no, make a bring and so make a cap poster, make we know say this life, this so na nothing. This life, if it talks in and now you supposed end and now you go end. Yes, whether I say you they eat, you they chop, you they dance, you they shake body, like how this our father be they shake body like this one that they see him, where they dance now so people they hype my people. They dance now so people they hype my people. When na if they go na RIP be that. As he they dance, my people, now so people they hype him. If they dance, they enjoy himself. Now so now see how they make style, my people. If they dance, but when the RIP, they do, and as all this now see as he fall like just nothing. People see the hype and say that the way they take dance. This one supposed to teach us big lessons like. If this kind of thing happens for place where we dey, my people, before you want to confirm, say maybe now where this person they take dance, so now wait for take off, for continue showing himself, or make we first of all go look, because this one no be the first time this way this kind of thing be happen. It be happen last year where some man of God they preach, they preach, my people. Now so it take four so go RIP just like that, because when they preach, people see they say the Holy Spirit. The Holy Spirit is touching him. When I go, they go. Just if people become before and not be the hype am, who knows if they be feel help am. And people were so ignorant, they don't know what for take do. They don't believe. See how this woman and this other part for you, they sit like say nothing they happen. They don't believe say na RIP this part they go like this. This one for tell us say life na nothing, life na zero. Say 1 minute you feel say okay, the other minute say you don't go just like that. It's supposed to teach us say make we know the word you take roll things and for this outside. So yes, na true say this life na cruise, but when you reach some level for cruise, make you just dey jeje, make you know they overhurt others, because you don't know whether you dey see tomorrow, you go see today, you go see tomorrow, my people. I see the matter say no, make a bring am from aware una say say this kind of situation dey na die this the papa dey die na RIP don't say go. Yes, when they hear people they talk say he slept and died in his dream. You know what happened? No. For another place now, my people, they're going to say, now people hand there inside, so that people don't knock more. Say day like this, die na simple die. Say this RIP, this so na early RIP, na some people send na more, but my people, true, it they happen. Cardiac arrest, it they happen. Anyways, now waiting that way they talk. Oh, me no fit knack hand for chest say I am certain say na cardiac arrest. Now I send this our papa just like that for RIP. But now for make us more understand say our lifestyle wey dey take liver, it matter a lot. The food we dey chop, the things we dey do, our weight and everything, it matter a lot because specific just go like this. Make you no vex with your neighbor, make you no vex with your friends. That kind of way you wish another person say me something bad it happened to Ram. Yes, my people, because somebody fit dey way they walk away na living corpse. So you tell the person say I go show you, I will na me go show you something. You go no say me and you no be level, no be the same level nowadays. And if the person can't go like this, my people, something like this it can't happen to Ram. They no go come hold you. They go hold you now. So make we mind the way we they take leave, make we mind the way we they take talk for people, make we mind the way they take chook mouth put inside situation and not take concern us, make we mind the words the way we they use and for outside. My people, I go leave this one for you. Make una write for comment section. What you think about this matter? Una believe say cardiac arrest if he send somebody just like that for RIP, or they take hand check put for this papa in RIP, my people. Make we dive directly for this next matter when about this our big brother Don Jazzy. But before I want take mouth chook put inside the matter, make I leave and to una make una listen what they talk about, because what they talk about I believe say it make a lot of sense. But will be me make all of us will listen before we go talk after.
Support system. Nobody's an island. I feel like we all need to be supporting each other more. Guys supporting guys, guys supporting women, women supporting women, women supporting guys, everybody supporting everybody. Instead of in this day and age where you see some women, I said some, tearing each other down instead of working together to build themselves. That's fucked up. I just received the painting that best helps describe what I'm trying to explain. Look at this beautiful painting. See this queen. She's a queen, but she doesn't mind to get down and dirty to help to complete other queens. Isn't this beautiful? Help, support, build. I love this. I like the way I'm feeling now.
So my people, una don hear by una self wetin wey Don Jazzy don talk. He talk say your crown dey be worthless. He talk say your crown e no make any sense. If only thing wey you know na for take denge post, say na you be king, na you be queen, na you dey for up. People dey hype you, dey go. You know dey help the others wey dey look you for down. He say e no make any sense. Say because you be king or you be queen or wetin wey take wear crown for head, you suppose be able for help the younger ones. You supposed to be able for help the upcoming ones, my people. I see this matter, I say this one a true life lesson, no, because it not only take fall for music industry, neither it take fall for any film industry, it fall for our daily lives, because we know we don't take for situations where because say we not be relative for somebody, or because say we not be friends to somebody, we don't miss a lot of opportunities for this life, my people. Now say make I bring them, make we chook mouth to put inside, my people. So wait till not think about this matter, especially the example where it give with it paint one at the same way queen it take paint another person, that is it help the less privileged one. My people, I make una write for comment section what you think about this video, and we go stop this video for here. But before one go, if you dare here you never subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe or make you like or make you leave comments for comment section, make you share. I run jeje go for social media street again, go find Amy but take breathe. And I go see you now for my next video. As of now I don't leave una. Thank you now so much. Ciao.